Hello friend, in previous video we have discussed the plastic extrusion process, the different type of plastic extrusion process and the different type of die we use in the plastic extrusion process. So in this video we will mainly focus on the common defects. So defects generally we will try to avoid, so it will generally not acceptable. So so these are the some common defects like shark skin. So shark skin, if you see like a fish texture, surface texture. So this shark skin actually is due to the poor die design and inadequate cooling, not proper cooling, and high temperature and high speed. So we can avoid these defects by reducing the extrusion speed, optimizing the die design, the good die design, and improve the cooling system. And then we have the diode rule defects. So these defects generally occur uh, uh, due to the worn die lip, excess back pressure, and poor sealing of the die. So we need to replace the die or need to properly design the die and adjust the pressure and improve the clamping. Then we have the melt fracture defect. So you can see this one is the smooth extruded part and this one have the melt fracture part, so don't have the good structure. So this is because this defect is occur because of the high shear rate and improper die geometry. So mainly we need to focus on the die orifice and die geometry, and so that we don't have this type of melt fracture on the continuous profile. Then we have the die line. So this is because of the shipment of the die, or you can see the contamination or the scratches. So uh, so this line we generally avoid. This will be the visible on the final product. So we need to regularly monitor the die and the output, so that we can avoid these defects. So any adjustment we need to do, so at that time we need to uh, uh, change the die profile, or contamination we need to remove, or polishing we need to do. Then we have the bubbles or the voids. These are the small bubbles generally form inside the product. So this is because of the moisture of the raw material. So raw material generally, if it is not completely dry, so at that time we can expect this type of the defect. And air entrapment, so we need to properly dry the material, or we can use the vacuum vent and stabilizer. Then we have the uneven wall thickness. So you can see this one is as design component, and the final product will be something like that. The walls are bended inside. So this is because of the non-uniform cooling. So we need to properly cool the uniform cooling we need, and the center die centered we need to, I mean, suppose sometimes it is off center die, because of that this defect will come, and we need to center the properly center the die. So because of the inconsistent melt flow also this defects will cause. So then we have the burn mark. So because of the high temperature, sometimes the material will get burned. So at that time we need to properly monitor the temperature. Then we have the sink mark. So sink mark means the material contraction inside. So this is because of the uneven cooling. So we need to optimize the cooling and also the design. We need the uniform thickness, and the if the component having the internal stresses, then also this sink mark will come. Then we have the dimensional accuracy. Suppose we have created the part, designed the part, and as per the part dimensioning, the final product is not come, so we can say that dimensional inaccuracy. So we need to properly monitor the speed of the extruded material. We need to adjust the die, uh, so those we can take care. So these are actually general common defects or the in the extrusion process. So if you have any question, so please comment, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.